Hello and welcome friends to Desi Delight. Today I'll be sharing my mom's Poha Chewda recipe with you. It's yummy, tasty and crispy. Listen to this. Isn't it crispy? So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So here are the ingredients. Firstly, I have taken 300 grams of thin poha, then half cup roasted chana, 1 cup dry curry leaves, half cup raw peanuts, 3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, normal salt, an equal amount of black salt, rock salt, and lastly 1 teaspoon of garam masala. There are some more ingredients you can add like dry onion, dry green chilies, coriander powder, etc. Those are like completely optional. Then the next step is to take a deep pot and pour 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Be generous while using the cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, peanuts and roasted chana and saute it till the rawness of the peanuts and chana is completely gone. But hey, I need to add something, and that's hing. Add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida hing at this point. And once the peanuts and chana are nicely done, add curry leaves. You can also add dry onion and dry green chilies at this point if you are using. Then add some spices. First turmeric powder, red chilli powder, normal salt, and lastly rock salt, black salt, and mix it well. And remember friends, turn the power flame to minimum at this point because we don't want to burn our spices and don't want to burn our poha. Cool. Then the next step is to add thin poha at this point. Once all the poha is added, give it a little mix. Once you give it a little mix, there is one last spice that I need to add, and that's garam masala. Cool. So garam masala is also in, all the spices are in, and this step friends is completely optional. Add half teaspoon of citric acid, mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Why I am adding this? Because this will give poha a little tangy and sweet flavor. You can also add mango powder, Anardana powder at this point, but friends, this is completely optional, right? So don't worry about it. Mix all the ingredients slowly without breaking any rice flakes. Cool. Initially your poha will be white and then eventually it will turn out yellow. Keep mixing all the ingredients on a low power flame just as I am showing you in the video. This won't break your thin poha, and as a result friend, you will get this yummy, tasty and crispy snack. That's my mom's recipe for you. This is Poha Chewda. Do try it at your home and give me a shout how was it. If you enjoyed my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to Desi Delight. Thank you.